We are here in the historic Talman building in Rochester, New York. There's Alex. And look at this. My very first Haughton triangle buttons. Look at that. Unfortunately, I know for a fact on the inside it's not original, but all the machinery is, just not the buttons.
3-speed door on the inside too.
Wow. Oh, what's on this side? 5? I don't know what the highest. It might only be 2, but we'll find out in just a moment. Let's let the door close first.
Try 2. There we go.
Oh, that sounds epic. Let's go.
Basement's locked.
1. GAL JetPlus.
If it's just facing outward, it's locked.
Yeah.
Tray lighting.
Mm-hmm.
Would be.
We'll give it one more ride.
Yeah.
That is an epic motor.
It sure is.
And we'll get off on 1. We'll get a cab view. Very nice old cab. Well, the walls look redone, but that tray lighting's definitely original. And
Yeah.
here we are. Listen to this. Oh, I didn't hear the relay. Oh well. Well, we'll get off here. There's your call buttons. Really frickin' cool.
3-speed door was awesome too.
And we'll watch it go. And there it goes. That'll be it.